HET 192, HVAC Careers, Week 15, Career Completion. This week's assignments will support the HVAC Learner 2. Describe a career completion plan. How long should a plan take to complete? How many plans can be created? And to create a plan. Introduction. The HVAC technician needs to have a plan to succeed. The plan starts now with the HVACR student. This course has covered many HVACR career choices. This week, you, the student, will put together your plan for success and your career completion plan. Career choice. What do I want to do? That's the question that comes to everybody's mind. What is it that I want to do? In this course, hopefully we've presented quite a few different HVAC careers. The HVAC field is wide open with many different directions to go, from business ownership, installation, service, supply houses, sales, all types of avenues for you to go into. So what you need to do at this point in your career is look at what types of skills you like to do, what skills you already have, what interests you, and start in that direction. One thing you may have noticed going through this course is that a lot of the basics for each of the jobs are all very similar. Going through a community college for education, getting all those classes done, and having a nice solid basis of HVAC in general is a great launching pad for you into any of the HVAC careers you go. One other point to make is that a completion of the college education or trade school education or apprenticeship program will put you ahead of the pack as you go forward into any of the HVAC careers. Specialized knowledge. What HVACR skills do I have? Take an assessment of the knowledge and skills that you have right now, and then ask yourself for the particular jobs you're interested in, what skills are required. Then take the skills you have to the required skills and fill in any missing skills. It's a pretty simple process, but one that a lot of people do not do. So, personal skills. Am I creative? Am I analytical? Am I a problem solver? Hopefully in your personal skills you've answered yes to all these. By answering yes to these, you're pretty much a great candidate for most any HVAC career. Communication skills. How are my written skills? How can I improve them? How are my verbal skills? How can I improve them? I know a lot of us think that all of our skills are pretty good, but we really need to evaluate our true skill level and see where and how we can improve them. Some we can improve rather quickly, some will take a little bit of time and maybe a few classes to brush up and improve those skills. But have a true understanding of where they are and where you need to be. In this field, verbal and written skills are essential to your success as you are dealing with customers, vendors, and coworkers at all times. Dealing with the customer, of course, takes that special skill and ability to be able to give them information they need about the equipment, satisfy them in what's being done for them, and showing them that the work that's being done is valuable for them. Also, if there are any problems that were to arise, to have the ability to calmly and clearly describe the situation to the customer so that they can make a well-educated decision on what they need to do to solve the problem that they have. You need to be their helper. You really are there working for them. Licensing. What type of licensing will I need? What type you will need depends on which career field you decide to go down. There are several different types of HVAC licenses for each of the different trades that are out there within HVAC. As you're setting up your plan, you'll have to ask yourself, how will I complete my license? Do I need years of service? Do I need education credits, or what it is to receive that license, and then start working on those. In summary, the HVACR student must make a plan to succeed. The student must inventory current skills. The student must know what skills are required in order to be employable. The student must put his or her plan together. And by putting that plan together, that will be your plan of success.